Okay, Tuesday, March 31st. This is the flood report, and today the big surprise is this. It's blizzard time. So let's see what a flood and a blizzard looks like at the same time. So I'm gauging that we got, looks like about 6 to 8 inches of snow, and they're expecting another 4 to 6 inches by the time this ends. And it is kind of ugly out, although it's not super cold. I think it's about 30, so this is very wet, heavy snow. It is actually kind of pretty. Look at how it hangs in the trees there. And let's see what the look is back here in the backyard. The river level continues to drop. It's down to, I think, 38.2 feet. So down 2.5 feet, at least for now. When you see all this snow, you gotta wonder what's gonna happen when it warms up later in the week. But there's our now snow-covered dike. And here's what the river looks like today. We got some brown ice and brown snow out there where it started to melt yesterday, and yeah, pretty ugly. We didn't really need any more precipitation, but I guess if we had to choose between rain and snow, we'd pick snow. So for that, we'll be thankful. So anyway, that is the scene from a very snowy Fargo this morning, and hopefully we won't get too much more of this. But have a good day.